Okay guys, this is a 2011 Ram 1500 and the customer has already installed a factory backup camera. Now in order to get this camera to work, the dealership has to go on to Dealer Connect and add the sales code. I don't believe the aftermarket users have access to this, but the dealership already added the sales code. So now I have to log into YTech 2 and restore vehicle configuration. Next we're going to plug in the MicroPod 2. Alright, so we identified the vehicle. First thing I'm going to do is look at the configuration report, and we should not have backup cameras configured. Okay, so I found the rear camera present in the configuration report, and it's the third one down from the bottom, and it is not set. So we're going to reset the restore vehicle configuration and see if we can get this to work. Okay, so I went over to guided diagnostics. We are going to click on restore vehicle configuration. Okay. Let's go ahead and hit and once again we're gonna, there it goes. And that was successful. We're going to shut off the ignition, unplug the diagnostic tool for about 1 minute. Okay, so we're done letting the vehicle power down for a couple minutes. We're back inside our configuration report, and we can see the rear camera present, third one from the bottom, now says set. Let's see what happens when you put the vehicle in reverse now. Now it says check entire surroundings. Now the customer already told me there's two ways that he could have hooked this up, so he's going to have to go back in there and hook this up the other way. But the vehicle is now configured to have backup cameras.